Yeah, man, I don't know. Eastside AK, top ranking AK, Mr. Universe. I don't know where they are BET Awards. Is it?
Yo, so we've been asking a lot of people who they think the top 5 lyrical rappers are. No specific order, right?
Yeah.
But I tend to think that Jamaican dancehall artists actually are more lyrical than rappers sometimes.
Sometimes.
So I want to know, who's your top 5 lyrical dancehall artists?
Top 5 lyrical dancehall artists.
Yeah.
I would say Vibes Cartel, me, Idonia, Massacre, Alkaline.
How? How? How?
I don't know.
Boy, Skillibeng. For this day, sad badness. If I put no blind boy over one law, brother, Unruly camp. You know how we run the ground. Boy, I got drag your butt. Unruly, what you say? Bust off my boy face right now, you know. Yeah, grim lad. Drag him butt. Yeah, kill it. What you do? Lick your boy in the head. Or break up his foot then. Boy, grime lad. Man, tell you if you do that history and move like a tissue, brother. You're soft. Hear me, I say kill it. Chop up the boy.
Right, if a pussy make a step, I bust a boy right now. You got some selector boy in a ramp with.
No, I don't know one inside link, man. I trouble on. Nah, I'm a general, man. Where you say, man? One east side badness, you know the thing already, man. Where you say, man? You don't know when I really bad, you know. We come like some look Unruly pitney. We just go around and trouble people. You see it, I test them badness. Don't know Skillibeng thing, them normal already. Straight crocodile teeth, you see it. Yeah, man. So Skillibeng, what you did? Everything good? Nah, the performance never bad at all. The only problem I be a boy, I'm not like how them a wind up back of you still, but you don't know you have everything like I know that. You see it? Easy. Yeah, I'm a general, where you there, pan? Yeah, nothing where you want, sir?
Yeah, move out.
I'm a general Skillibeng, that's a word. I move through, I go through. You don't know, look on. Yeah, no forward.
Yo, Skilly the pussy they want some card, you know. See the boy them see one rifle and see the whole them get nervous and run down. Yo, be a weak fence them want run over upon, you know. Yeah, them boy are some real weird small dog.